There is nothing quite as stressful as a transmission that just will not behave, especially when it triggers a code like P0748. This code points directly to an electrical problem with pressure control, solenoid A. Unlike some mechanical codes, this one is telling us that the powertrain control module, or PCM, has detected an electrical malfunction in the circuit that controls this specific solenoid. Think of the solenoid as a gatekeeper for hydraulic pressure. Your car's computer sends an electrical signal to this solenoid to tell it how much fluid pressure to release to engage a gear smoothly. When that electrical signal is interrupted or erratic, the solenoid cannot do its job, and your smooth ride turns into a nightmare of slipping gears overheating, or that dreaded limp mode where the car feels totally gutless. The severity here is tricky. You might be able to limp home, but I would not push it because erratic pressure can burn out your transmission clutches in no time. The causes can range from the simple to the complex. It could be dirty transmission fluid clogging things up, but since this is an electrical code, you are more likely looking at a wiring issue, a bad connector, or the solenoid itself failing. I have seen plenty of cases where a simple corroded connector pin caused this whole headache. Your troubleshooting should always start with a little research. Check for technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, because this is a common issue on many vehicles, and there might be a known fix or a warranty extension. Next, get under the hood and check the transmission fluid condition. If that checks out, you need to inspect the wiring harness running to the transmission. You are looking for signs of heat damage, cuts, or corrosion. If you are handy with a multimeter, you can check the resistance of the solenoid and the continuity of the wiring. You want to see 0 ohms of resistance on the wires. Anything else means you have a break or a short. Don't automatically assume the transmission is dead. Often, a fluid flush, a new solenoid, or repairing a damaged wire is all it takes to get you back on the road. Just tackle it step by step, and do not ignore that check engine light.